Modern construction techniques are changing the look of our cities and towns, and one of the leaders in new piping technologies is Proset Systems Incorporated of Atlanta, Georgia. During the fire at the MGM Grand Hotel in Las Vegas, it was noted in a detailed fire report that 30 people died in their rooms from smoke inhalation. It was further noted that the most evidence of smoke deposits and particles was found in the bathrooms. It was obvious that the smoke was transmitted through the bathroom piping. Improperly fire-stopped openings can jeopardize the fire and smoke integrity of an entire building. But for years, this was how plumbing was done. Now, Proset Systems has developed new methods and products that work together to make buildings fire and smoke safe for their occupants and help reduce piping costs at the same time. This has been achieved with the help of Proset's new piping system called fixed point fabrication. With fixed point fabrication, you always pipe to either a fixed point at the ceiling or the floor. Proset has been installed in thousands of jobs around the country. In Metro Atlanta, Proset has been installed in over 40 major hotels, including these 6 luxury hotels built within 1 square mile of each other in the Lenox Square Shopping Center area. Davis Mechanical Contractors of Greenville, South Carolina is now in the middle stages of installing the rough plumbing at the Hotel Nico. This is a good time to show all phases of Proset pipe installations. Let's take a step-by-step look at how the system works. The first thing is to develop a material and labor plan. Study a list of available fittings that could be used to pick up the various openings in the simplest way. Proset has numerous cast iron fittings to form a comprehensive plug-in installation system. Proset will even supply custom fittings to suit your exact needs. Next, Proset mock-up couplings with easy flex adapters are used to simulate how the pipings would be connected to the various openings. Locate all stacks so that you will use the least amount of pipe, fittings, and hangers. After trying various layouts, select the one that works best. Assemble the mock-up couplings with the proper spreads and measurements on a sheet of plywood. Draw a circle around the flange base of the Proset coupling. Then cut out a neat hole. This board will now be used as a template. Mark the template to line up with available control lines. With the aid of the template, the Proset fittings are then nailed to the decking prior to the concrete pour. Next, the Easy Flex adapters are installed. The Easy Flex adapter is made out of flexible PVC, which is solvent welded into the cast-in coupling in order to make the transition to cast iron piping. In plastic piping applications, the plastic piping would be directly solvent welded to the cast-in coupling. Fabricate all the piping from the fab couplings on the template. This allows you to produce piping units that are sure to fit. Separate the units of piping onto skids or pallets in the same manner as you will install them at the bathroom locations. The fab should be light enough so that if you choose, a one-man crew can carry out all phases of installation. With Proset, quick floor-to-ceiling connections are realized because the Proset layouts match up with the branch pipe fabrications. This allows you to maintain high levels of productivity.
The Proset sleeve itself, it goes through the floor, is the fire barrier, and you go through. You don't have to worry about going back and packing and sealing all around them. You don't have to worry about water running through from floor to floor. That's all taken care of. Once it's sealed up, you're finished.
Once the piping is connected, the installation is complete. There are no personnel on the floor above, no riser clamps to install, and no holes to patch. Proset also eliminates the need to install test balls, as all Proset openings have built-in test caps. In addition, Proset provides advantages to the other trades as well. Proset openings are flush with the finished floor. This allows the concrete machines to move quickly and smoothly and eliminates costly handwork. The Proset system also results in a drier building, which is to the advantage of everyone on the job. In addition, Proset provides a water piping system, System A. The penetration consists of a sleeve, 2 plugs, and a ceramic fiber fill to create a fire-rated penetration that secures the piping as well. System A penetrations are simple and easy to install and eliminates the need for riser clamps. When Proset is installed in the floors, the bathrooms can be piped at any level without waiting for the piping to be built from the ground. Each unit stands on its own. You, the plumbing contractor, will always be ahead of the other trades and ahead of schedule. Let's hear how Jimmy Beller, plumbing foreman for Davis Mechanical Contractors, feels about the Proset system.
I can go through a floor and do the complete floor with 2 men in a week, and that's 24 bathrooms completed, and that's installed every piece of cast iron through the floor and sealed up. Once it's put in and in place, then I don't have to worry about the water, I don't have to worry about leaking from floor to floor, and I don't have to worry about going back and sealing up sleeves. They're already done, and it's finished. As far as I'm concerned, the Proset system is the best system that I have ever saw, and I don't think that there's going to be anything any better, and I do not ever want to put anything in but Proset.
All the national codes now require that all openings be sealed and be able to pass the ASTM E814 fire test. None of them, except Proset, have passed all the tests and remained cost-effective. Proset fire stop penetrators can also be used for plastic drainage and vent piping in fire-rated construction. In most cases, it can be used in buildings of unlimited heights. Proset fire stop penetrators are UL and ULC certified and code approved for installation of metal and plastic pipe. They can be used with poured-in-place concrete, through-cored holes, gypsum walls, and in wood fire-rated construction. The Proset system. It's simple, efficient, and reliable. It promotes pre-job planning, good material handling methods, reduces man-on-man supervision, cuts job duration, creates higher quality work, increases customer satisfaction, and leads to greater profitability for your firm.
Hi, I'm Ken Cornwall, designer of the Proset system. I hope that now you have a good working knowledge of all the advantages of the Proset system. We at Proset are willing to work extensively with any person selected by your company to make them a true Proset expert. This will allow you to use our system to its fullest potential.
Always look to Proset for new ideas and methods in piping systems.